Okay. Perfect.
All right, hi everyone. So today we're going to go through a little bit about some cool equipment that you can purchase to have some fun with water rockets. Okay. This kit and this kit you can buy on Amazon. Okay. And I'm going to show you this one first. What's in this? Then we're going to go out into the field, show you how this works. Okay. Then we'll show you what's in this box, which is a launcher. Okay. You still need to have a 2-liter bottle, but this is pretty cool because you can basically use a bicycle pump or an air compressor, a small portable one, which I'll show you, to set the pressure. Okay. Okay. So let's go ahead and open this. I took the plastic off, a little bit of tape. So you get a bottle, put it like that, and you should get some fins, get some instructions, okay, some more cardboard, put all this back in here in a second. Okay, so you get some fins. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 fins, some adapters, okay, a little rubber gasket, and a fitting that will screw on the top of the bottle, okay, and then a hose, okay. So that's what comes in the box, and this is what it's assembled, okay. Here's the bottle, and then here is this little rubber adapter with a fitting in there, okay, and then there's another fitting here that goes to the bicycle pump, and I'll show you that in a second. So what you do is you hook these up, okay, put those in there, then you fill this with water, and I'll show you that in a second. We'll go out to the field, fill it with water, then you push this in as hard as you can, make sure the fin stays on, and then basically this will go on the ground like this, and this will go to the bicycle pump, okay? So you can buy a bicycle pump like this, all right? You can stand on it with your feet, turn it around, okay, pump it up. This one has a pressure gauge, and then this fitting actually goes right inside here, and then you just tighten it, okay? And then it won't come out, and then you can pump. Once this is filled with water inside here, pump it up, and then what's going to happen, the pressure builds up so much that it will actually pop this right out, okay? It overcomes the friction from this rubber cork inside here, okay? And we'll go to the field. I'll show you how it works, demonstrate it, and it's a lot of fun, okay? So, okay. So let's take a look at this launcher setup. It's very good, very reliable. I've been using it for a few years now, and I don't have any leaks. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this, see what's inside this. Okay, you got a little funnel. I'll show you that in a second. Basically what you have, fins, adapter, another adapter, bicycle brake, more adapters, okay, the bicycle handle for the brake, that's a bicycle bike cable, sorry, okay, more fittings, oh, some grease, more fittings, and then the base, okay. So there are instructions, okay, you can go online. It actually tells you right here on the box. You go online to find the instructions. And with all of this, you'll be able to basically make this setup. Okay? Put it right here. When all said and done, this is the launcher and this is the handle. Okay? And the cool thing is, pull that tight, tighten it. I gotta put it out. See that go up and down? Okay, I can move this. This is how it releases. Okay? So, what you need is a 2-liter bottle. Hook up the fins with the adapter. Fill it with water. And I'll do that in the field. And then just spin it on. Okay? And this will be filled with water. And I'll show you. You put it sideways and it snaps into place. Okay? Now it won't move. Then you pull the handle on the bicycle pump and that pops down, this pops down, and the pressure pushes it right out. Okay? So the cool thing is you can hook the bicycle pump up right here, or you can buy a portable air compressor like this Ryobi one, and this hooks right here. Okay? And then you have a pressure gauge that you can pump it up with. This is great. I've got this to at least 110 psi, so with no leaks. We had a project at school that we pumped it up so high. This is to check the release valve. Water was shooting out of that because it was getting to be too high. Okay? Highly recommend this launcher setup. Fantastic. Very pleased with it. Okay. I'll see you in the field. Okay. So, just going to fill the bottle up. And over the past few years, this much water I found will make it go the highest. Okay? Put that over there. Then you take the cork, push it in as hard as you can. Okay? Put it on the ground. Move this out of the way. And then start pumping. And what will happen is all of a sudden the pressure will be high enough to pop that cork right out. Boom. And there you go. And I hope that worked because it got stuck in the tree. Okay. Okay. Now we're out here. We got the launcher set up here. Okay, the bike pump is mounted here, and you'll see in some other videos I'm actually using the hand compressor. All right, it comes with a funnel, so you can actually put the funnel in here and fill it, or you can take the top off. It's up to you. So I'm going to fill it. Takes a little bit longer with the funnel. Okay. And then what you do is you move this sideways and you push this on so the water doesn't leak. Push it in so it pops. Okay, you should hear a pop. And then you're ready to pump it up. Okay. And some other things that I forgot to mention before is you can 3D print nose cones for it. So I bought an adapter, or my students built this one for me, but it was too small, so I built a pink adapter, and it fits on there, and I can tape it, and then I can launch it. Alright? Go a little higher with a nice smooth nose cone. Okay? I'm not going to use that. And sometimes the fins break, so you can buy these replacement ones. Okay? Pretty cool. Alright. So let's pump it up. Go ahead and pump it up. Okay, 30 psi. And then what you do is you just pull on the brake pedal, or the brake, and then it'll go down. Just like that. Cool. Okay, so the last thing I want to show you is some 3D modeling, 3D printed things that I've made for sensors and what type of sensors I use, okay? So here's the nose cone, all right? And you do see some holes in here, okay? Because I'm using this altimeter sensor, all right? If you read the manual, it says let it breathe, air holes and containers, okay? So you need to have some sort of air coming in and going out, all right? So I make those small holes. Here's the 2-liter bottle, and I didn't design this nose cone, my students did. It's slightly too small to fit on the end of this, so I built that adapter and you saw that, okay? So what I did was I 3D printed this, and what happens, my sensors go in here, okay? So I can put my sensor in here like this, and then this is the Vernier acceleration sensor, all right? This is just a charger or a battery pack to turn this on, okay? Because this is starting to die, all right? And it fits in that hole. This one fits right in here. And then once I plug this in, this turns on, or you can hit the power button, or actually it does turn on, okay? So what I usually do is a little loose. So I get some of this foam and I shove it in here, okay? But this fits right inside here like that, okay? And what I do is I pack this foam stuff, I have a bunch of this foam right up in front here, so it's nice and soft, okay? So that goes up in there. Then this fits right there, like that, okay? And then I put that on top of here, okay? So, right on top of here. Then what I do is I tape all the way around, clear tape, and then it's good to go. All right. So that's my 3D prints. And I can post them. I have the nozzle. I don't have this piece, but I can post this piece, and this adapter piece if you want. Okay. Very cool sensors. You can get acceleration and altitude with this one. You can get a whole bunch of different stuff with this altimeter: altitude, max speed, G-forces, thrust time, total duration. It's really, really cool. Okay. And sometimes I do put this GPS sensor in here. Okay. I just pack it and then kind of stick it here with a bunch of this foam stuff. Okay. This, for some reason, doesn't work that great inside there, but I can get speed with this altimeter. Okay. All right. Okay.
You want me to fix that?
Yeah, go.
Good.
Data's collecting. Okay. Okay. Blooper reel. There. Ready? Oh, blooper reel.
Okay, send it. Uh-oh.